Kublai pi baro kiba Peit ya ka channel jongi ka donbosco media network. Kimat kiba kongsan menta ka sngi kilong. Shikung kimat ra ka KSU ha DC ban penbha ya ka DSC ha West Khasi Hills district. Wer ka kong Polin sya ka lumpung lekmen banyarap dia kinongpang baduk bakerdo. Play control room uba Pol ha Directorate of Social Welfare. Ban pelat patba u CEM ya kakot kasan perkhat u khasi. Tomantang ini apai shiki Khubor ke bakambnya. Kaseng Khasi Students Union West Khasi Hills District Unit haka jingyalam u Samla John Fisher Nongsiang President haka khatsau tarik Risaw kalaya kendu ya UDC rengkat kejing tho balabu bun tili kimat kibayadei bat kejing penbet bat penbha ya ka thungkam thungjam lengba ke District Selection Committee DSC haka ni ke district. Habai kran shikilat pathai Khubor hadin balaya kendu ya UDC usamla John Fisher Nongsiang uloong bakaseng kawanra haduk khat nyau tili kimat jingdawa hakmat UDC baka DSC kadeban pentrekam knang ba ka jing thungkam thungjam lengba ka DSC kanong ka bakhuj bat ka bayat bet yat renti shu uloong nakite ki khat nyau tili kimat kiba kam kongsan baka seng kalaya kran bar UDC kalong ba ki dekot ka DSC ki deban long daki breu ki balan nang lastat amban syuthong daki breu bala jit daki seng san perthei ban bu ki kor CCTV kamera ha ki jaka tho exam ban pendu no ya ka personal interview ya ki post ki barit bat banum ailat show ya ka jing thungkam sop daki officer na ki tenat ba pher jong ka sarkar Jylla. Samla yo jing tip nakaliang ka office yung DC la umanjur na yakini kimat balabu ka KSU mentaka sengi.
Awan ke DC kadin mangila yo ke jing ujar nak Samla wat kamar jam hakin di sengi di sengi balai. Te hadin mangila so ke jing nam nakaliang ka seng nilawan banai ke ka kod. Jadi ban points ki bangi ajing mot ya district administration pada ka DSC jadi bekerja tungkam. Maka mangi kini senang yo alai sibun kijing dunah bede kijing tungkam tungjam bat kijing dunah haki iki ibara kena kaliang jongi mentak sini lawan ban ai kini points akannya tu points bede bat kijing dunkam ba ka DSC ka pendrong te ka khamtam ek ban kong ek nilai krah bede kijing tungkam kumki member jo ka DSC kide bandai ki nongtrei kiba la pule ki graduate bela start kemudian kino ki political appointees kino ki khat jong kan ka seng hima sima makumang kini senang pula ada sibun ki jing duna kijing ujing nam bat kijing jia pula jiang kijing tungkam lungba kini ki nangalam jong kini ki political appointees bagi la thong ek sama jongi hadin ma ngilu kene ladu jekerman bat bun nak ki samla ki wat banwan yele exam banwan ta exam nam ta kini pus bakar fer ka kondak ka DSC ni ko asu banwan marka indon kini ka jingle Shillong ila bano ka jing thung nalendet bagdor jong ki niki nangilam jo kini ki seng sima te naklen jungi kum kini la dawa bang de ban nakliang ka deputy commissioner de ban weng ba naklen jungu umdon kini ka bor ba le ta te Kelejong sa ngabaniya sa sarkar bandawa ba kumikini ki post ki member na kalian ka sarkar ka deban weng te kumjuro habi de betowi pat ko point ka don kam na makumang tiap baka western district ka dikaka jong ibun ki office ba hab po ka rikasi dan kalian jongi ko aba kinu ki post ki ba hab po ka rikasi
Ban penmi pisa na kabenta ban no senyang shikinong pang kibawan na kilongying longsem kibaduk bakerdo kibawan Pak Sumar ha Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital Jayau Shillong kakenhun ruai bapau nam kasor Shillong balatip kumka aroha kwaya ha kajingyalam ka kong Polin Warjri ha ka khat khandai tarik Risaw kan penlong ya ka lumpung ruai ha Sosutham Auditorium State Library ban penmi pisa na kabenta kani ka jingthumu Baro ki jingmi na kani ka lumpung kinlet siya kani ka hospital pan Beijing lut ya kinong pang kibaduk bakerdo. Nalor ki dukot ka kunhon aroha kwaya kindonru kinong put nong tem kinong shat bat kinong ruai batrip na bun tili ki kunhon ki ban penjat hat ya ki jabing ba lengah haka khat khandai trik Risaw ha soso tham auditorium. Ka kong Pauline Warjri ka khot ka wer ya ki pat ba jing rwai jing shat ban jing put jing tem ban wan shakani ka lumpung ban kershan de ki jing peno barit naga benta ka ne ka jing thmu barat ba jong ka Roberts Hospital ban yarap ya ki rangli ki juki ha ka shitom shipa.
Society is organizing a concert for the benefit of the Poor Patient Fund of the Robert Hospital. I felt that as musicians we also have a moral responsibility, and the little that we can do is to raise funds through our music. So we have collaborators in the hospital, the Roberts Hospital, and a few other artists like Adil Masar, the cellist, Benedict Hinyota, the flautist, Dapalai Stacey Wajri and her dance academy, Linkit and his friends from Jylla. So I'm very thankful that you've given me this opportunity to let the public know that we're doing something for the health sector, and we hope that it will not only end in this. So the concert is on the 19th of October in the Sosotham Auditorium at 5 p.m. And all the proceeds will go towards the Poor Patient Fund of the Roberts Hospital.
So why only Robert Hospital? There are poor patients all over the state.
Yes. See, we can only do so much. We have to start somewhere. This is the hospital that I was born in, and my grandfather joined this hospital as one of the first Indian doctors. My mother grew up there. So what better way than to start at the place where you were born? And I hope that it will go on to other things. And we've done not only this concert, but we've also done podcasts with the doctors involved, the Robert Hospital. And then we've also done, we're going to do back-to-back panel discussions and health awareness programs starting on the 17th, which is the day after tomorrow, at the Pearly Dew School. And then we have another health awareness program on the 18th at the Sosotham Auditorium as well, and a free health checkup done by the hospital.
Do you think how many patients will benefit from this?
Well, we're hoping that many.
Uba Paul Lingdo, Menteri ke Social Welfare, ula play ya ka control room bathamai ha Directorate of Social Welfare. Ban ai ka jing shakri ba paka na ka banta ka bha ka miat jang ki khanna bat kilong kemi ha ka emlang salang. Ulawa jing tibru ya ki jing bat jing don kam ba kinong trei ka ni ka tnat kia kendo ha ki jing trei kam paman ka sngi jong ki. Ulawa jing tib ya ki jing trei jong ka Child Development Control Room, Child and Women Helpline. Ula kentu ya ki nong trei ka ni ka office ban trei bor ba ban ya rap ya ki khna bat kilong kemi ki ba sha ban ben ha ki riu sneu pa bunjan.
Emergency.
All of these are call-based.
Yes. And these other cases that we transferred to the, transferred from the districts to our control room. Yes. So there are total of, this year we've received
manpower in women and child healthline. It's okay because we are doing it through the central, so we are getting the numbers which we require. The shortfall is in the directorates, the establishment, because we in the ICDS, which I told you, we are giving employment to 12,000 Anganwadi workers and helpers.
Papu, according to police data.
See, first and foremost, it's very important that people should lodge complaints, should make calls to us, calls to the police station. As you would have noticed, the fact that the success rate, if you go back to the figures displayed there, which would be somewhere around 90%. A lot of these cases have also been closed, which means that they have reached a logical end. Two is now there is greater sensitivity and greater familiarity amongst citizens of Meghalaya about these issues. So more and more cases are getting reported. If you compare the situation today with what was 10 years ago, it would be a huge difference, because earlier on people prefer to stay silent. The maximum that they would report would be to go to the Rangbashno, to the donbosco, which doesn't have the legal wherewithal to deal with such cases. Now that there is more awareness, people are coming forward, and therefore the number of cases is also
Has the
reflective of that.
government done enough?
First, let me thank the Directorate of Social Welfare, led by Khuborjylla as the director, for having shown exemplary level of service, which is well above what I had expected before reaching here. As you can see for yourself, we have highly tech-savvy young boys and girls handling cases on a daily basis. Cases of complaint for both child helpline and women helpline are done round the clock with 3 personnel manning for 8 hours shift continuously, and there is also space for the distressed callers, whether children or women, to even get accommodation when calls come in the middle of the night and they have to be picked up by
Chief Executive Member CEM KHADC ba penyat sing CEM haka khatsau tarik Risaw ula pelat patba ekakot bala tho da uba friction karshiyeng bala ai kerteng kasan perkhat ukhasi bat kidak tho haka ktien khasi haka jingalang ka bala long ha conference hall jong ka council haka ni ka jingalang ladon lang kinong kitkam bat kidkhot ka khasi author society ki MDC bat ki bahayeng hasem jong unong tho kani kade kakot kabakhat ar ba uba friction ula penmi hakini ki lai pu riu snam kakot baningkong balau penmi kade hausnam khat khandai spa prapopra kabala ai kerteng lapulom ei
bat terparu ia kecing ai kublai bat su ia i baina kloi ban mi chakman ban not senyang hakat ho kata habide bakene kabentan te kumbangi tip lang hi baro baka Mei jongka district council hi belasanya ka nadus nam akandai swasan puan daga jingtu bakum kawai na kashnat tregam hapo karitis insha jong kari India kan yo ban I board shushu yaki kenhun bapher lane ban shim ya kabenta ban wara ya kajingya tai kajingya sa kajingya kren nakamtawan penlong an dan dia berpenskem ya kita kiri titus tu kiba ulok shwa lahika ini but kumbangi kenot na ketir nong way but codify the practices kijongi nadu kesensian kada hadu ka ruai kasiau katen kaput nanta kabang ketir kile berkunjung kaku kasam bab kiwe kebentang te ngasoban penpau ke jikmen namar ba nakadang jungiru kumka council ngila persyang hai board model ba kumno bangin khot shakmat yaki research scholars ki badan ye kecing anglud ban terpronglan ya kelingkon ka bakhya limba katho kata ka ba kanlong ka jingmentoy ka patay kemanwan Ninget scam bakum council badai ba ki jingtho ki ba nginla ban bud
ya minta ban benek sa igi kolsyor di justu dengan mengenai kota bede hantahi tinggal ada sosial mawan banyak dulu ye CM menurung jungi Timeliru nugreu ugae ya kan riji ugae iriti justur baro ila koloi ban ana siya cucu yang nagaba ila ya kersian naglem
Kawai na kinong yalam jo ka National People's Party NPP kong Amprin Lengdo Menteri Kakwat Kakia hakakat sao tarik Risaw kala Khubor bat kop da kabaong ka parti kala penkre pura nagabenta ke election siteng samoy hagam begre constituency halum garu habakran bat kilat patai Khubor ka kong Amprin kala ong ka parti kala ya chakmat banyakun ya ka election siteng samoy hadin ba usalang sangma MLA ula job ya ka election MP Natura Parliamentary Constituency.
Party which is preparing itself adequately for every election. It could be a legislative assembly election, it could be the district council election, it could be the MP election. We are a party that prepares our election adequately. We will fight the by-election and try to retain the seat. We'll try to take it away from any other political party. Because at this point of time, political stability in the state of Meghalaya is very much required. We don't know what debates there are, but back again, we just pray that we do not divide ourselves based on our communities, our creed, our professions, our religion. NPP will prepare the best. If you ask me what is our level of preparation and preparedness,
Kalumpung Yakob nya kali ahor 4x4 off-road kalakut hakakat tarik Risaw hadin kajinga kun nya kali hakilenti kiba khoro khoram kabla ne lais ngilenter hakar sati pak tham ribhoi district ya kane kalumpung Yakob nya kali hakilenti kiba khoro khoram lapan ya dekat adventures neutrap off-roaders ahor hakabala phia yakijinga kun hakilai kerdan bakenthop yaka stock category modified category but ka pro modified category yakane kalumpung lapan ha perdano da uba MB Tongper Additional Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District Kumukong San hakajinga danlang uba danlang Soklet Vice Chairman ka Meghalaya Resource Employment Generation Council u President jongka ahor ba Damian Umdor ba Ferdinand Jarin Secretary uba Ferdinand Kamni Vice President bat kiwe kidukot ka ahor Hakane kalumpung Yakob Tom kali shikilum kiwa abat ki cloud ki betap lane ka off-road challenge kirangnya kali na Kerala Mehbub ke bat u Shafi CK kila Korea ka nam lado haka kerdan pro modified category ringkat ke song pisa kaba Shilak Shiteng bat ka trophy haka kerdan ya kun juga semi modified ya ka nam lado lara da u Cameo Lawai bat u Freddy Mauri bat haka kerdan stock category lara da u Rashid Mukim bat u Banker Khongwir Hakajinga kun nya kali jengki kentei ya ka nam la do lara da ka Pilitas em bat ka Markenti Warjri. Lasam buskit ru ekiba wan baar balai ki best driver bat Bosco driver habaro lai kerdan.
Kani menurut akak kalenda. Baru satu minda in the trip from the festive season, Nyong Kasang NAKA Puja. Drep Puja, kawan pengikut dem, Chanang dem, Mas Liang Terser. Henry Nasro, bakal festive season, mentakan Zangno NAKA Ahor. Kini jadi Zang jong festive season. But habang festive season, kamu kapan jadi susah. Henry Habadan kini keputusan kairat yang tourism kejungiru. Habadan tourism tujuan tourism ini ngiru yo ala pan kamai. Tinggal itu play yang Meghalaya yang tourism department kalau Meghalaya kabarkan hilang banyak yang kita program. Baar kemudian ngai play participant baru kini ele sport kalau kejingnya pun kini kalau makai itu hasilnya mungkin tidak pun dan sport ni yang dulu ini ele hilang film ini yang pun dia lei daga baru daga boju balai I want to congratulate and thank our friends and participants from Kerala and from Assam from the other states. Thank you for your enthusiasm. Please take the message of our to your respective states, and I am sure you will publicize this, and next year maybe we'll have many more participants from the
Ka All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association haka khatsau tarik Risaw arhajar arpusau kalapha ya Khubor show director katna tourism ba CV dingdo ba kinamwan sha ka Jylla ka balong lasai ka singi khatsan tarik ha state convention hall bala khot da katna tourist habaya kran shikilat pathai Khubor u president ka AKMTT uba Rikaldinus dingdo ulaong ka jingkentat jong ka seng banwan sha ka ni ka Jylla bala khot da ka sarkar ka dei ba ka sarkar ka khot lang ya ki try hotel but ki tour operator kan ba nakaliang jo kinong nya kali kamai ki kwa ba ka sarkar kan khot tang ya kinong nya kali kamai banya ta ya ther halor ki mat ba ki jing e ba kinong nya taksi ki ya kendu uba Rikaldinus ulaong baka seng kala dawa la kham slam na ka sarkar ban thau ya ka policy na ka banta kinong nya kali kamai Meghalaya Kenang ba kinong nya kali kamai kin yo ban kit ya kinong jungok kai perthei ki bawan sha ka Jylla sha ki jaka paki kwa ban len jungok kai
kata ngin la depong ba ngin sa don ka committee la shahim step shipang ngin sa shim ka senjam pat ngin sa pentip shapiru ke bangin yai nama ba kan nomnong ka jing pentut ya ki pat ba balik barum bayang surum seneng dengan sepenchai shapi ya kita ka senjam ka bangi di penshim ngin shim hiru ka jing khi ka pating e lamar kan ka sarkar ngai balada ngimi hi pok madan thama kan num kendit ben riu bat ya ka bangi la phak shi thi show menteri rang ba mo ki tu ki por ki banai ki ba dep nadu mensim sistem mental sistem duna ka don kan ka jing ya tenru jungi sa ka sarkar ban perking no kali ban bar state ban trung sata ki terus spot ne ban thaw ki policy re hadu menta mene ka jing bu jungi city de alai teli how tourism minister mo ba polling do te ngai ba kampoi si ka supoi no ba lada ngidon ka supoi bitang kata ka thmak tin mar kaliang bat kiwei te iya ba ide bat ya ka jingpha city jungi sei tourism minister bat I kumjuru hai director tong tourism kalong kalau makin patiau yang iki nong nyak kali kamai ki baden hakani ke Jylla but nakaliang jong iru sngoba moi tai tourism minister ibadon na kaseng rulum jong ke UDP ngasngo ban ong ba nakaliang jong ingim kwa shu kum kini ki jait nong elam mo banyalam ya kari ba jait penri jongi but khamtam ru ya ka jing penyai ka ba ka NPP ka don pok MDA 2 menta kan ka sarkar ngasngo ba ka dei ka sarkar ka ban patiau ya ka ba kat bau kontrak sang mau lo ong yingi ban pha extension pha kini kita ngila de pha khat khandai trik ngila pha ya kita ka city ban bu so ban harp south trik ngili ai extension kumnu ban thaw ya ki policy kita ki rule ki ain ka baru chief minister hi lo ong ya kata te ki pen
badak itu ki Khubor ngla poisha ka bakun tar hadu bangin da ya syambiang khublai shibun